think we're almost there.
Yep. Wow, there's quite a summit block up here.
All right. New volcano for you.
Nice
Awesome.
job, Kayla. That was worth the wait.
Yeah. I didn't know if it was gonna happen.
I didn't either. Yay!
Piece of cake.
I don't know what kind of cake you're eating.
Summit box.
Yeah, I'm gonna sign that. Turn my phone back on. It's not dead.
Good job, guys.
Alright. Alan, Mr. Adventure. Step to your left, James.
Kayla's gonna look like she likes me hugging her. You didn't even cringe that time.
I know, I must be getting used
That
to
was
you.
awesome.
Way to make the call on that, Ryan. Good job, man. I would have sat there and waited. Feature right there, I think, is Wolf Rock.
Oh, okay.
The tallest monolith.
Yes.
It is Wolf Rock?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Rock.
Oh, that's amazing.
I like the last little woo.
Woo!
Yeah.
All right, now how do we get down?
We started. It took us an hour to get up here. Actually, less than an hour.
Wow.
From the summit base. And that next group has been over 2 hours.
So that's how we came up, right?
Yeah, it's right here. Right here. There's the wrap. It's way over here. Oh, yeah, there is. It's just a walk once you get up here.
Oh, here's the wrap station right here, guys.
Did we down climb a little way?
Yeah.
The next one?
Yeah, that's our plan.
We have good holds.
She's right in the spot. Unless you want to go down here, but this is kind of sketchy. Oh, nice job.
All right.
There, it's just a walk.
Yep. Just a walk. Pulling a very heavy rope.
Want some help?
Oh, I got it.
All right, go run.
Yeah.
Actually, go ahead and Lead, James.
I'll step over. Go.
I'll follow you.
Yeah, but you're right in the